Rihanna was a 12-year-old girl who always dreamed of becoming a great tailor. She wanted to sew any dress her imagination created. This passion came from her late grandmother, who had once been the best tailor in the village. One day, Rihanna decided to make her very first dress for her favorite doll. Excitedly, she measured the doll, cut a piece of cloth, and started sewing by hand, since she didn't have a sewing machine. But when she finished, she was disappointed. The dress didn't fit at all. Her heart sank. Maybe I'll never be a good tailor, she thought sadly. Feeling hopeless, she sat quietly by the pond, tears almost filling her eyes. Just then, a wise old lady from the village walked by and noticed her. "What troubles you, my dear?" she asked gently. Rihanna told her everything: the dream, the doll's dress, and her failure. The old lady smiled kindly. "My child," she said, "I believe you can become a fine tailor. But great skills take patience and practice. Every dream has steps you must climb." "Oh, dear lady, please show me how," Rihanna begged. "Bring me a large piece of cloth and one of your own shirts," the lady instructed. "Place the shirt on the cloth, cut it to the same size, and sew 3 shirts, 1 each day. Then return to me after 3 days." Rihanna obeyed. She worked hard, sewing 1 shirt each day. On the 3rd day, she proudly carried her 3 shirts to the wise lady. The lady carefully examined them. She picked up the first one and said, "This was your first shirt. It is uneven in some places." Then she held the second one. "This is the second shirt. Better, but still with small mistakes." Finally, she lifted the last shirt and smiled. "And this is the 3rd shirt. Much straighter, much neater. You see how you've improved?" Rihanna's eyes widened in surprise. "Yes, but how did you know which was which?" The lady chuckled softly. "Because with each day, you became better. The first shirt showed a beginner's hand. The second showed progress. And the 3rd showed true improvement. This is the power of consistency." She placed a hand on Rihanna's shoulder. "If you give up after 1 try, you'll never reach your dream. But if you keep going, day by day, stitch by stitch, you'll grow skilled, confident, and professional. Never lose hope at the first step. Believe in yourself and continue." That is how dreams come true. From that day, Rihanna promised herself she would never give up. And with patience and practice, she began sewing her way toward her dream. Let's learn vocabularies together. Passion, a strong love or interest in something. Measured, found out the size or length of something. Wise, having knowledge from life experience. Obeyed, did what someone told you to do. Uneven, not straight or not equal. Idiom, step by step, doing something slowly in small stages. Rihanna's story reminds us that failure isn't the end. It's the first stitch in something beautiful. Dreams don't bloom in a day, but with patience and practice, even shaky hands can craft greatness. Never give up.